I'm Ben Brewster, and this is how to achieve the tight beard. Start by making sure the trimmer is fully charged and the blades are oiled. Before trimming, use a styling comb to brush your beard and mustache in the direction your hair grows. Use the trimmer to line up the edges of your beard on your face and neck to create your desired beard shape. Next, attach guard number 1 and trim your sideburns using an upward rocking motion to blend them with your hairline. Attach guard number 2 and continue blending. For longer beards, always trim in the direction of hair growth to avoid patchiness. For a shorter beard, you can trim against the grain. Attach guard number 3 and continue tapering your beard towards your chin. Remove the guard and use the freehand technique to tidy up any stray hairs. Then, trim the top of your lip to create a clean line. Tidy up your neck and cheeks using the precision detailer and shaver attachments. Lastly, apply Wahl beard balm to shape and moisturize your beard. And that's how to achieve the tight beard.